8C question number 1, part A, just expansion. So we already this kind of expansions and yes, 4C0, 1, 4x0, 4C1, 1, 3, x1, 4C2, 1, 2, x squared, 4C3, 1, x cubed, 4C4, 1, x 4. From fractional, so we know this is 1. Always NC0, I discussed earlier, 4C0, any 0 is 1. And any NCN, 5C5, 6C6, they all 1. Right? So this is going to be 1 as well. And this is going to be the number 4C1 and 4C4 minus 1 are same. 4C2 and 4C4 minus 2 also same. So likewise, this one and this one is same. It's going to be 1, 4, 4C1 also. I check this one. This is also 4. And 1 to the power 4, they all same. X to the power 0, 1. This is going to be 1. This is 4 times x. And then this is going to be 4C2. What is 4C2? 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 1, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. It is 6. And 1 square, x square. Plus 4, x cube. And plus x to the power 4. There's a learning here. If this is x1, we can easily write basically. Because we don't need to worry, because 1 to the power 4 also 1, 1 to the power 3 also 1, 1 to the power 0 also 1, 1 square also 1. If you have 1 here, you don't need to worry. You can simply, you want to think about this one. It means you start with x0, x1, x2, x3, x4. And then this is, if you know the binomial, 1, 1, 4, 4, and 6. And that's it. If it is 1, it is always easy. So you don't need to look at left side or when you drive a car, we don't need to look at the rear mirror. It's look like that. You don't need to look at 1. Behavior of 1 this expansion. You simply write x0, x1, x2, x3, x4. Sorry. And this is, you know, that 1, 1, 4, 4, and 6. And that's it. Now what will happen? This kind of 1 plus 2x. Then still 1. We don't need to worry. 2x0, 2x1, 2x to the power 2, 2x to the power 3, 2x to the power 4. And this is 1, 1, 4, 4. And the middle coefficient is 6. What will happen like this? 1 minus 2x. Then this is going to be 1 plus minus 2x to the power 4. This is going to be minus 2x0 minus 2x4, sorry, 0, 1, minus 2x2 minus 2x3 and minus 2x4, and this is 1, 1, 4, 4, 6. Done. Um, I will do a different way, that another one. This is not. So if we have 2 plus x over 2, how do you do this one? This is not 1. We can make 1 by taking 2 out. So I'll take 2 out. Then this is going to be 1 over x plus 2. Then 2 square 1 plus, sorry, I'll put I 3, x over 2, 3. So 2 over 3 is 8 and 1 plus x over 2, 3. There was no 2. The 2 I make into a 1. Now this is easy again. 8 will keep. What is the expansion of this one? X over 2, 0, x over 2, 1, x over 2, 3. X over 2, 2, and x over 2, 3. So this is expansion of 3. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1. So this is 1, 1, this is 3, 3. And then finally when you get the answer, 8, okay, I will work out 1 plus 3x over 2 plus 3x square over 4 plus x cube over 8, and then multiply by 8. 8 plus uh, 8 times 3x over 2 plus 8 times 3x square over 4 plus 8 times x by over 8, and simplify. Now part B. 3 plus x to the power 4. There are two terms, plus 3 and plus 4. So plus 3, 4, x0 plus 3, 3x1 plus 3, 2x2 plus 3, okay, I will rework again. 3 plus x4. This is going to start 3, 4x0, 3, 3x1, 3 square x2, 3, 1 x3, 3, 3, 0 x 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 4 plus 1 terms. And what is the Pascal triangle? This is going to be 4, 0, 4, 1, 4, 2. We have to write the binomial expansion if they ask. And 4, 4. So this is going to be 1, 3, 4, plus this is 4 times 3, 3 times x, plus this is 6. We work out earlier. 3 square x square. This is 3 again. 3 again x cube. And this is 1. 3, 0 is 1 and x4. So this is 81. This is 27 times 4. 108x plus 9 times 54x square. This is 3 times 3, 9x cube. Sorry, this is not 3, this is 4. 4, 6, 3, 4. 1, 4, 6, 1. So this is going to be 12x cube, and this is x4. See, 4 minus x to the power 4. So we have to write in this form. We can't expand this one. 4 plus minus x to the power 4. Then 4, 0, 4, 4. We can avoid the writing if we want the next term, but because it is going to be 0 power. So 4, 1. Then 4 cube minus x1. Then 4, 2. 4 square minus x square. Then 4, 1. 4, 3. 4 minus x cube plus 4, 4 minus x to the power 4. So this is going to be 1. 4, 0, 0 is 1. 4 to the power 4 is 256. This is going to be 4 times 64, and this is going to be minus 6. This is going to be again 6 times 16 times minus x square become x square. This is going to be 4 times minus x cube minus x to the power 3. I wrote a different one here. This is minus x to the power 4 is x to the power 4. So 256. This value is minus 264 times 4, and then 16 times 16, that is 96x square, and this is going to be 16x cube plus x4, which is going to be minus. This is x plus 2, 6. I write to make this as 2 plus x to the power 6, because we always used to this pattern. So brain like this pattern, and brain avoiding more mistakes if we write like this. So then this one, I'm expanding this one. 6, 0, 2, 6, and x 0, and 6, 1, 6, x 1, and 6, 5, 6, 2. This is 2, then this term 2, and other one is 6, 4, and 6, 3. Then I write x3 first, match with this one, and then 6, 3. Sorry, this is wrong. This is 2, because this term is 2. 2, and 6, 4, x4, 2, 2, and 6, 5, x5, 2, 1, and 6, 6, 2, 0, x6, or 6, 6, x6. Now this is going to be 1 times 2 6 times 1. This is 6 times 2 5 x1, then plus this is what is 6 2 6 3 3 6 4 1 1 1 1 1 1 2 1 1 3 3 1 1 4 6 4 1 1 5 10 10 5 1 1 6 15 20 15 and 6 and 1. Then this is going to be third sum, 15 times 2 4 x square. Then this times again 20 times 2 cube x cube, and this one again 15 2 square x4, and this 6 5 going to be 6 times 2 times x5, and this is x6. So 2 to the power 6 is 64, and this is going to be 192x plus x squared times, this is going to be 240 x squared. Then this is going to be 160 x cube, and this is going to be 60 x4, and this is going to be 12 x5, and this is x6. One plus 2x to the power 4, we need to expand. So 4 0 2x0, and then 1 4 4 1, then 2x1, right hand side 1, and then left 1 1 third, 4 2, then 2x square and 1 square, and 4 4 3, 2x cube 1 1, and 4c4 2x4 1. This is going to be 1, and this is 4 times 1 times 2 8x. This is 6 times, this value is 6 times 6 times 2 square x square. Then this is going to be 4 times 2 cube x cube, and this is going to be 2 4 x4 4 4 1 1 8x. This is going to be 2 square 4. This is going to be 24 x square, and this is 8 times 32 x cube and 16 x4. So I can't put binomial for this one. I have to rework in like this: 1 plus minus half x to the power 4. Now I can put the binomial. It's good that this is power 1, so we don't need to worry about the descending part, only the ascending part. So minus half x0 minus half x1 minus half x2 minus half x3 and minus half x4. 4, and this is 4 0 4 1 4 2 4 3 4 4. So this is going to be all 1. This is 4 times minus half a x, plus this is going to be 6 times minus half a square x square. Then this is going to be 4 times minus half a cube x cube, and this is going to be 1 times minus half of 4 x4. 1 plus 4 times, this is going to be minus 2x. 4 times half minus, minus times plus minus, minus 2, minus 2x. Then this is 3 over 2x square. 6 times minus half a square mean 1 over 4. So this is 1 over 4. 6, it means 6 over 4. This means this is 3 over 2. And then this is 4 times. This value is going to be minus 1 over 8 x cube plus 1 times, this is 1 over 16 x4. So 1 minus 2x plus 3 over 2x square. This is going to be minus half x cube, and this is 1 over 16 x4. 1 plus x to the power 10. So this is 10c 0 1 10 x 0 10c 1 1 9 x 1. Okay, we'll write this notation. Then this is 10 1 and 10 2. 1 8 x square. 1 2 3 and 1 more. 10 3 1 7 x 3. This is 1, and this is 10x. This is going to be 10c2. 10c2 factorial 10 and factorial 2 factorial 8. 10 times 9 over 2. This is going to be 45. 45x square plus 10c3. Factorial 3 factorial 7. Mean 10 times 9 times 8 over 3 times 2. Then this is 3 times 3, and this is 420 x cube. 1 minus 2x to the power 5. We can't write the binomial for this one. We have to write 1 plus minus 2x to the power 5. Now we can write binomial expansion. 5 0 minus 2x to the power 5 0. Might get this one. Since this is 1, I am not look at the descending part. 5 1 minus 2x1 5 2 minus 2x cube and 5 3 minus 2x 4 1 2 3 4 and 4 times. This is going to be 1. This is 1 and this is 1 and this is 5 minus 2x and 5c2 1 1 1 1 2 1 1 3 3 1 1 6 4 1 1 5 10 10 5 1. So this is going to be 5c2 mean 10 and minus 2 cube x cube and this is again 10 minus 2 4 x4 1 minus 10x. This is going to be 10 times minus 8 x cube plus 10 times plus 16 x4. So 1 minus 10x minus 80x cube plus 160 x4. Did you notice I miss one term? I miss the x square term here. I have x cube, x4 and I miss x term. So I will write here 5, actually 5c0. This has to be square and this has to be cube. Let me correct it again. This is 10 times minus 2 square x square. Then this is again 10 times minus 2 cube x cube. This is going to be 10 times minus 4 times x square and 10 times minus 8 times x cube. So this is going to be minus 40x square plus this is going to be, sorry, this is plus 4, so plus 40x square minus 80x cube. This is equal, first 4 terms, 6 0 3x0 6 1 3x1. I don't need to look at the one, so 6 2 3x square and 6 3 3x cube. Now this is going to be 1, this is 1, this is 6 times 3 times x, this is 6a2, 6a2 factorial 6 factorial 2, 6 minus 2 factorial 4, 6 times 5 divide by 2. So 15 times 3x square plus 6 3c factorial 6 factorial 3 3, 6 times 5 times 4, 3 times 2 times, going to be 20. 3 cube x cube. 1 plus 18 x plus 135 x square plus 9 times 20 uh, 540 x cube. Actually plus dot dot. Question D. 2 minus 6 to the power 8. We can't put the binomial. We will write the proper form of, we can put 8. Now since this is not 1, we have to be careful now. 8 0, then 2 8 minus x 0, then 8 1 2 7 8 7 6 likewise 1. It should match with this value as well. 8 2 minus x 2, then 2, this is 6, 1 2 3 and 1 4 4, 8 3 minus x 3 to 3 plus 5 8 plus. This is going to be 2 8. This is 8 times 2 7 times minus 1 times x. Minus x means minus 1. And this is going to be difficult now. 8c2 factorial 8 factorial 2 factorial 6. 8 times 7 over 2. So this is going to be 28. 2 6 means 64 times x square plus again 8c3 factorial 8 factorial 3 factorial 5. This is 8 times 7 times 6 5. We don't need 3 times 2. So this is 3 times 2 6 and this 6 cancel out 56. And then 2 to the power 5 32, and this is minus 1 times x cube. This is 256, and this minus being here, this is going to be 1024x, and this is, and this minus being here x cube. I write minus x cube as minus 1 times x cube, because minus x cube means minus x times minus x times minus x. So this is x cube minus times minus times minus minus 1. And dot 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 dot. The next question, 2 minus half x 10. I can't write the binomial for this one in this mode, so I have to write in the proper mode. So minus half x 10, because I need to make positive. Binomial expansion only work for in middle is positive. Now we'll work 10 0 to 10 minus half x 0, 10 1, then 2 9 minus half x 1, 10 2 2 8, 10 minus 2 8, and half 2, then 10, 3, 2, 10 minus 3, 7, minus half a 3 plus 10. This is going to be 210 times 1. This is also 1. This is 10 times 2, 9 times minus half times x. This is 10c2. 10c2. Forty-five. 2, 8 mean 2. It's going to be a big amount. 2, 8 times minus half a square x square. I took this term totally, and this is 45. 45, 2, 8. This is when you square 1, square 1. This is 2 square x square. Then this is going to be 2, 6. 2, 8 over 2, 6. 2, 8 minus 6 as a power 8 minus 2. 2, 8 divided by 2, 2. It means 2, 8 minus 2, which is 2, 6. Right? 2, 6 is 2 times 2. 4, 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 32. 32 times 2, 64. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 128. I think it's wrong. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 6. 2 times 2, 4. 8, 16, 32, 64. 64 times x square and 10c3. Factorial 10, factorial 7, and factorial 3. 10, 9, 8, 3, 2, 1. So this is 3 and this is 4. 120. 120, 2 to the power 6 is 64. 7 is 128. And this is going to be minus half a 8 times x to the power plus x cube. (24) minus 2560x plus 2880 x square minus 1920 x cube plus dot dot. F3 minus x to the power 7 7037 minus x 07136 minus x1 7235 minus x2 and 7334 minus x cube. Now this is going to be 1 and 3, 7. This is 7 and minus x, and this is going to be 7c2 factorial 7 2 7 minus 2 5. 7 times 6 divided by 2. 21 times 3 5. times x square minus x square, and 7c3 factorial factor 3, 7 minus 3, 4, and 7 times 6, and 3 times 2, 1, and 5 also should be there. 7, 6, 5, 35 times 3, 4, minus x cube plus dot dot.